people, to the newcomers, and hey, what's up, bitches, to the people that already been to my channel. This week we will be recreating this look, which is a soft glam kind of look. That's what I'm calling it. I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna be using two palettes. I'm gonna be using the Soft Glam Anastasia Beverly Hills for the matte colors, the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde for the shimmers, and the Cake Liners for the little white line on top, okay? Yeah, I'm gonna be recreating this. Stay with me while I do this. Again, like, comment, share, subscribe, like always. Please do subscribe. Invite your friends so we can become friends. Invite your family so we can become family. I will be talking about my daughter today because that's the best topic I will ever have. And also it drives me a little crazy, but don't tell nobody. Yeah, just stay with me while we talk and, you know, vent a little bit and just feel better and share love. Yeah, and let me know what you think. Also, go and subscribe to my Instagram page, my Instagram makeup page, which is makeup by _Nandis. I post more colorful looks over there, and yeah, let me know what you think. Go subscribe, comment, like, share, subscribe over there too, and don't forget to do it here. And so we can, you know, keep making looks every week, keep coming back, keep having conversations. Let me know if you want to talk about something. Let me know what you think. Let's get started, right? We're gonna start with the 221S MAC brush and the color Cypress Lumber, right? Which is like a dark brown color. And we're gonna start on our outer corner, like just right where I end, and just bring it up a little bit, just a little bit. So today I'm gonna talk about my favorite subject in the whole wide world, which is my baby. And mainly I'm going to talk about it because, just kidding. Okay, so we're at 9 months, right? With my lovely, lovely child. Okay, straight line, okay? And this is because I have hooded eyes, so that helps. And I got this tip from no other than Nikki Tutorials. They gave this tip in one of her videos. I don't remember which video, but... So anyways, straight out. And then a 217S MAC brush with the color Mulberry. Okay, so yeah. So we are at 9 months with my child. And let me tell you something. It is nonstop. Now, this is my first kid, okay? Before anybody starts saying anything, this is my first kid. And before her, I had no practice whatsoever. Like, I have a baby brother who is... He's 16 years younger than me, but even then, you know, I wasn't that involved when he was a baby and stuff because I was a teenager and doing, you know, my thing. And then I was busy, and then, you know, I was just big sister. But now it's like my child. And so I have no E40 tapered brush. This is a Sigma brush with the color Rustic, okay? So yeah, I didn't have a lot of practice. Like, I didn't know you couldn't, like, just turn it off. Like, I did it, and I know it sounds fucking ridiculous because it's like, you know, it's a human, it's a baby human. But, like, seriously, though, like, I have seen other women have, like, multiple children. Like, more than one, okay? And they're just so calm and collected in public. Like, I want to fucking pull my hair off. You know what I mean? And I mean, I get it. Don't get me wrong, because I am super lucky. She's a really good kid, and she's a really good baby, and she sleeps through the night. And that makes me think, what about the children that don't? How do these women even manage? Like, and I don't work right now, right? I'm a stay at home, and because the baby's little, and I just don't trust leaving it with people. And I am lucky and blessed that I have that option. I know a lot of people don't have that option, but for now I do. And so I stay home, and I'm like, you know what? And I know I've said it before in other videos or other posts in my social media. Women are just, I just retouched that darker brown, that Cypress Umber color, and I'm gonna create my crease, okay? Yeah, because we are at 9 months, right? She's 9 months, and she crawls and she stands, and she also wants mom all the time. Now, mom is grateful. Mom loves it. But mom would like to go pee sometimes. Mom would like to go to the bathroom without hearing. I know people are laughing at me right now because they're like, girl, you barely started. And then people have the nerve to ask me when I'm having the second one. Can I conquer this? Can I manage having the first one? Like, can I please just have the first one and survive it? Because, you know. And I mean, don't get me wrong, because it feels beautiful, beautiful when she wants to, just when there's something wrong and all she wants is mommy, and I'm like, haha, she loves me. And me and my husband be arguing about stuff like that. But at the same time, and this is just real, like as a woman, and apart from all the feelings and loving your kid, it feels a little suffocating sometimes. And but then there's that other side, like your mom. So it's like, I use the electric cake liner in opaque white with the E40 Sigma brush. It's a small eyeliner brush, okay? So yeah, so it's just, and also like the feelings that come with that are so crazy because you feel suffocated, but then you're like, but I'm a mom and I love her and I shouldn't feel like that. You know what? Feel away. You're human. Women, ladies, anybody out there, parents, just parents, period. Becoming a parent did not suddenly turn off your humanity. Okay, we're human. It's okay. It's okay to feel. However, we must go on. The show must go on, and as you feel, sometimes suffocated or whatever, also, your child's here, your child's there. Take care of it. At least that's what I tell myself. I'm using a 239S brush for the color Supermoon in the Huda Beauty retrograde. Okay, and that's because I'm in love with this color. It's like a diamond color. I was using the Soft Glam Anastasia for the browns and the crease and stuff, but now for our little glittery area, we're just gonna use those, the retrograde palette. So yeah, that's what I told myself, for seriously, because I was having like an inner conflict for a while because I felt all this, like, and now with the other side of the color galaxy, okay? My mind fights itself about the feelings and stuff. I mean, motherhood is winning. I guess all I'm trying to say is it's okay sometimes to feel overwhelmed. Do not feel guilty for feeling overwhelmed. The fact that you come on top just says you're a great mom and you got this. So, anyways, yeah, my baby, right? So, yeah, she's just, I mean, it's all fun though, seeing her grow and the things that she can do and the things that she's learning. It's all fun, but it's like she's not a tiny baby no more, right? Like, there's a lot of things that she does that it's like, you don't cuddle me like you did before, and it's sad. So see, crazy in there. A lot of those things are going on in my head right now. But anyways, yeah. So she crawls. She has 8 teeth. My child actually, when I was pregnant, I broke half of one tooth. So I want to say that she took a lot of my calcium. That's what I told myself. And so at 4 months, she grew her first 2 teeth, and then the next 6 came out at 7 months. So 2 teeth at 4 months, 6 teeth at 7 months, all at the same time. So yeah, she's like ready for food and stuff. I mean, which I still follow the doctor's directions for that anyways. So she only gets what she's supposed to. But yeah, it's fun because I'm like, oh my god, like you look like such a big baby now, but you're a tiny baby. My baby's small. I have a small baby. She was only 5 pounds when she was born, so she's tiny. But it's like, but you're so ready for the world. For my lash one, I'm gonna use a brown gel liner. This is a ColourPop. This is the cream gel liner, okay? So yeah, also, she said mommy first. 10 points to Gryffindor. And she says papa, but I don't really think it means daddy. Like, she's not trying to say dad. She's just, I think it's a sound that my husband does, and then she copies him. But she says mama and papa. And my husband's salty. But, oh, and also because she loves like Moana and then Monster Inc. and all. And now Frozen 2. That one's my fault. And so with those, she pretends to sing the songs. So that's always super cute and fun. That's what she does. Sounds like a little whale. But anyways, Frozen was totally my fault because I was tired of all the other movies. And so I started playing Frozen for her because that movie has a lot of songs at the beginning and that's what she likes. So she started liking it and I'm like, glad. I like the songs, they're catchy. until you hear them 12,000 times. And that's why I'm sick of The Little Mermaid. That was her first movie though. I'm gonna use my Cover FX Power Play foundation. So yeah, also, I'm seeing a lot of what her personality is gonna be like. Like, you think that because they're babies. No, 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 no. This little girl is full of personality. And let me tell you something. If your mom, your grandma, your auntie, your dad, anybody in your family has ever told you, one day you will have children and you will see, bitch, it was a curse. Because let me tell you something. This little girl, for example, she likes to play with the blinds. So I tell her, like, no, Delilah, her name is Delilah, leave the blinds alone before I go and actually take her, away from her, get her away from the blinds. She has the nerve to be like, to grunt at me. Let me tell you something. I am Mexican. I am chancla ready. Just kidding. But seriously though, like I can see it. I can see how she's gonna have what kind of personality she's gonna have, Like she's not, I don't know. Just I'm praying, people. My husband already lets her do whatever she wants, and mommy's the one that has to be like, stop it, don't do that, put it back, And I mean she's only 9 months, so obviously I don't expect her to be like, yes, mom, and drop stuff, but I have to tell her before so she learns. But still, it's like daddy lets her do what she wants so she knows. Daddy gets home and it's all fun and games. And mommy's home and it's like all of a sudden turns into a grunting contest. And I'm like, let me tell you. I'm gonna FedEx her to her grandma's. That's what I'm gonna do. For my setting powder, I use the Hourglass setting powder. This is Veil. That's the color. And I use just a little bit just to set it. So it's just like, I just feather it. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. I'm going to use this Head Over Heels Makeup Geek blush. And it's like a glittery blush. Very pinkish. Super cute. Golden Hour Bobbi Brown highlighter, okay? My mom FaceTimes her and she gets all excited when my mom FaceTimes and stuff. She starts smiling like crazy. So I'm like, this is a very glam look, okay? I don't think I've ever done one of these. I'm gonna use our 610 Versatile Chestnut. Oh, I got it right. Makeup Forever lip liner. And this one I know you can use for your eyes. You can use it for everything. Versatile. I'm gonna use this Sugar Cookie Too Faced lipstick. This is a matte lipstick, and that's just to give it some color, So, with our Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. Let it in. Okay. For my lashes, I use the Fabulashes from Cara Beauty. I've had these ones. I like them. I think I had issues with them the first time, but now because I got better at putting on lashes, they're easier to put on. Anyways, we're done. This is it. Wait, I was having a good time. So as you can see, before I keep on, I got new decorations in the background. This is very special. It was gifted to me. My dad made it for me. For my birthday around like 2 years ago, and it's the Harley Quinn bat from the Suicide Squad movie. I mean it's the bat from the comics too, but I'm just saying, that's where it was more known. I'm a big Harley Quinn fan, so he made it for me, and so that here is a picture of my husband and my baby. She was like 6 months. Harley Quinn right here and right there. What's that? This was a gift for this birthday from a friend. Shout out, girl. And this is, I think my mom gave it to me, maybe, for Christmas. And yeah, little plant. Hey, let's keep some green. That says all you need sometimes is $1 billion, and I agree. My mom brought that for me from New Orleans. Anyways, I'm excited. It's my little corner of like my family. My family lives so far from me, so love that. Other than that, yeah, so it was fun talk. Let me know if you guys have babies, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, more than that. Oh my god. Let me know because I'm managing. I mean, I'm doing what I can. That's all I can do. And other than that, I mean, it's my little Mike Wazowski. But yeah, it's challenging. Girl, it's challenging. I mean, I thought I would know I'm older and I may have more patience, but it's an adventure. I can tell you that. And yeah, let me know what you think. Comment, like, share, subscribe, all of that. Also, subscribe to my Instagram, which is makeup by underscore Nandis. I post more often over there and more looks, more fun and colorful looks. And yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know if you like, if you would recreate. I like this. My hair is a mess. Okay, I know that. You may look at my videos and be like, "Girl, do your hair," but for the first time in 20 something years, I am taking care of my hair. Yeah, I said that out loud. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. And I'm doing, hair masks and treatments and stuff. So right now it's going through a whole recovery process because my curls got no love from me for a long time. And I'm sorry. So I'm doing a lot to it. So it's messy. That's all I'm going to say. It's messy. I took off my sideburns because I have long sideburns, which presented a love-hate relationship for years and years and years until I accepted them as part of me and loved them and kept them for a long time. But because I'm doing buns, this is uncomfortable. This gets on my nerves. So I bought this cream. I tried to do the waxing strips first, and let me tell you something. It wasn't for me. It just wasn't. So I bought this cream hair for facial hair and it worked. It's gonna be a process because I had a lot of hair. So right now they're not that perfect. And no, I am not embarrassed. It is what it is. It's part of me. But eventually it'll get better. I'll figure it out. Okay. So other than that, again, like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Let me know about your children. Let's become a support system, people, because you need it. I need it.